Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine a lipstick that gives you the best of both worlds, intense color and all-day comfort. Today we're looking at MAC Cosmetics Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color in the shade 988 A Little Tamed, a gorgeous mid-tone pink with yellow undertones. This product promises to deliver a blurred, high-impact matte finish while keeping your lips moisturized for up to 10 hours. Let's break down how well it lives up to that claim. First off, let's talk about the formulation. The Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color is known for its mousse-like texture that feels light as air on your lips. It's not the typical liquid lipstick that dries down hard. Instead, it offers a soft, cushiony feel that doesn't flake or settle into lines. The blend of vitamin E and emollients is designed to keep your lips hydrated throughout the day, so you won't find yourself reapplying every few hours, unless you're like me and can't resist that perfect pink. Now, I tested this out under real-world conditions. I wore it during a typical day, which included morning coffee, lunch, and running a few errands. Right off the bat, the color applied beautifully, smooth, even, and bold without being too thick or heavy. The hourglass-shaped applicator really helps with precision, which is a huge plus for me, especially when I'm in a rush. As for wear, I was impressed. The color didn't settle into the fine lines around my lips, which is always a big issue for me with matte formulas. It stayed put through eating and drinking, although I did need a small touch-up after lunch. But honestly, for a matte liquid lipstick, it performed better than most I've tried in terms of comfort and longevity. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the texture is incredibly comfortable and the applicator design makes application easy, even for someone who's not a makeup artist. It's lightweight, non-drying, and provides a smooth, blurred finish that's super flattering. The color A Little Tamed is a beautiful pink that's versatile enough for daily wear, but still adds a little extra oomph. On the flip side, while it's moisturizing for a matte formula, it's not as moisturizing as a full-on lip balm or gloss. If you're looking for something that will keep your lips feeling hydrated all day without any need for reapplication, this may fall just a little short. Also, the price point could be a consideration for some. Though MAC is a high-quality brand, you're paying for the name and the unique formula. Speaking of price, let's talk value. At 5mm, it's not a huge amount of product, but considering the performance and the fact that you don't need to reapply constantly, the cost per wear is pretty decent. The texture and longevity make it worth the splurge if you're someone who values comfort in a matte lipstick. When comparing this product to other liquid lipsticks in the same price range, MAC definitely stands out in terms of wearability. Many liquid mattes can feel tight or dry, but Powder Kiss strikes a balance between matte and moisturizing. If you're a fan of long-lasting, comfortable lipsticks, this product is a winner, especially compared to other higher-end brands that don't always deliver on comfort. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, with a design that reflects MAC's signature aesthetic. The applicator is well designed and allows for precise application without needing a lip liner. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in how the product performs. Now, would I recommend this product? If you're someone who loves a bold matte lip, but can't stand the dryness that often comes with them, this might be the perfect fit for you. It's especially great if you're looking for a shade that works from day to night without constantly touching up. On the other hand, if you have extremely dry lips or need something more moisturizing, you might want to explore other options that are more lip care focused. If this review helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss a review. Your support really helps us continue bringing you honest, in-depth reviews. And if you've used the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.